Hello everyone, I'm Christopher from CBProductions. At night on July 4th, 2024, my parents and I went to Fall River, Massachusetts to see their fireworks show. By far so good, this year's fireworks show was way better than last year's fireworks show, where not even a single person could see them. Again, if I did do a 4th of July experience movie this year, I'd have this and both the Bristol fireworks and the 4th of July parade all together, but since I'm working on the road to the graduation, the same applies to the Bristol fireworks show video. Unlike the Bristol fireworks show, our neighbors from downstairs did not go with us to see the fireworks show in Fall River. The fireworks show in Fall River was the last fireworks show I went to in 2024 until I saw them once again when I watched the implosion of Tropicana Las Vegas on TV on October 9th, 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here it is, the Fall River Fireworks Show. Enjoy! By the way, guys, be careful not to drop your phones into the water. What's he suggesting? If you have a selfie stick, use 2 hands to hold it. Wow! Woo! Come on! Here goes one. Kaboom! Here goes the other. Wow! Kaboom! 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 Oh yeah, the fireworks here are way better than last year's fireworks, you know? Last year you couldn't see them. Yeah, it was so cloudy you couldn't see those fireworks last year. Wow! Kaboom! 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 Woohoo! Wow! Come on, come on, come on! How are the fireworks? Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? Oh, whoa, whoa! Oh! Ah! It just did that again! Well, that was a bad fireworks shot. Oh, wow. Here we go. flies that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave. Woo! Woo! Play ball! We're getting closer. That was the big boom. Again. Not only is Fall River's fireworks going off, but also Newport's fireworks is going off. Newport, Rhode Island, they're having fireworks too. And I believe this is Newport. This is for this and Newport. Kaboom! Kaboom! Here we go, one's going up. Whoop, kaboom! Kaboom! Wow! That one's going off. Kaboom! 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 Whoa! Wow! Oh! Wow! Oh! That was a mess up. What a mess up! Look at that! Didn't go on. Yep. Kaboom! Kaboom! Kaboom boom! Kaboom! Kaboom! so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. Well, everyone, that's all for the 2024 Fall River Fireworks Show, and that's all for the video as well. It was a lot of fun that night, and I really enjoyed going. In fact, as I already stated before, the fireworks show in Fall River for this year was way better than the 2023 fireworks show in the same city. I would like to thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it. And if you're new and if you enjoyed this video, hi, welcome to CBProductions. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more great content coming soon, and click on the bell icon so that way you do not miss out on any of my future uploads, including live streams. I will see you on the next video, or on the next live stream. Goodbye!